Before traveling to Hoi An, we stayed 2 days in the city of Huế, which is mostly known for the Imperial City, which is a walled enclosure within the citadel. The Imperial City is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and there's at the moment a lot of restoration going on. We started off at Madame Tu, a restaurant we found on Google with a lot of good reviews.
This looks delicious. It's a taste menu from, yeah, they got from everything they got on the menu. They got a piece per person, and they looks very nice.
Very good.
Yummy?
Yummy. She just explained how you have to eat it. So you have to roll this one in the rice paper with vegetables, and this one as well. And you have to dip these in there and these in here.
Everyone has their own sauce.
There. So they help you with how you have to eat it.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Let's eat it.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you.
Dit gaat daar.
Zit wel vol. Zit wel vol.
The Imperial City is very big and it has little museums inside the old buildings which give you a lot of information. There are also old photographs hanging on the walls with the people who used to live there in it and in the surroundings of the Imperial City. So that's really cool to see, and you really get a sense of how it used to look back in the days. After our quick stop in Huế, we went and took our favorite bus to the city of Hoi An. Hoi An is one of the most popular cities to visit here in Vietnam, and that's very understandable. It's on the World Heritage List of UNESCO because its old town is very well preserved and shows you how a South Asian country must have looked like during the 15th century. Hoi An has a really nice eating scene with local specialities you have to try, and there are multiple beaches just a 15-minute bike ride away. One of our favorite places in Vietnam for sure.
So at the B Banh Mi, having a beef special and chicken. I think we're gonna enjoy this. It has very good ratings on Google.
After treating ourselves to a delicious banh mi, we took the scooter to An Bang Beach. The other beach is actually nicer, it's called Cua Dai, but we didn't know yet that it existed, so we went there the following days. It's so stupid. In the evening, we just strolled around the city and tried some street food. And it's a really nice city to just walk around in because it's so lively and there's lots to see, like the little lanterns in the water. The shops are all open, there's a market. So yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Where are you going for?
Pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice.
This is banana and sticky rice, and they roast it so it's crunchy on the outside. and then they chop it up, pour coconut milk and cream over it, and put crushed peanuts on it. It's super delicious. The following morning we went back to the banh mi place where they left their pet iguana outside this time. Very impressive animal.
Again here, look at this amazing buns. We're supposed to go to another one, but that one was closed. So now we got the chicken and egg and a chicken.
It's so good with avocado. And after that we decided to just walk around the city, see the temples, have some coffee, and go to the local market here in Hoi An. The market has fruit, vegetables, meat, fish, jewelry, everything. So it's nice to walk around and see what's on offer. And after that, when we walked back, we found this great snack. It's a fried banana, and it was so good. We had it every day.
Banana pancake.
Julian bought a banana pancake.
A banana? No, we don't always a banana pancake. She said banana.
Banana.
And I thought, okay, I want it. It's fried though, with dough.
It's an oliebol.
Ooh, it's hard.
Hot or hard?
Hard. It's,
Watch out for bus.
Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's like a fried banana dessert. And it's
That's good.
crispy, it's very good.
And this is our neighborhood puppy. So cute. In the evening, we went out to dinner to a flower restaurant, which we really recommend, to try some of the local dishes.
No. Okay, at first, let's do the greens first. These are the, what's it called? It's called Rue.
No, it's called morning glory.
It's called morning glory, but
And
it's a vegetable.
It's like spinach.
Spinach with garlic.
Garlic.
It's exactly what I like.
It's very crunchy. Nyak, nyak, nyak.
Crunchy, not too garlicky, and they got you taste onions.
Yeah,
So
nice.
you also see the crushed, the fried onions. Very good. Good vegetable to have aside. Not that special, but then again, it's spinach with garlic. What do you expect? She cooked it well because it's still crunchy. It's good. So this is the white rose. White rose.
It's a dumpling.
White rose is a dumpling. It's a speciality from Hoi An,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And it's a dumpling, and you see the filling still outside, and that's shrimp with beef. It looks amazing.
Is it beef or pork?
I think it's beef, but we'll find out. Very tasteful. You cannot actually taste if it's more beef because the shrimp is. You taste more shrimp, and the beef is or pork is not that much. It's very
Nice.
tasteful. It's very good. It's not. It's a very delicate, like a flower, like a rose. It's a dumpling, a delicate dumpling with shrimp in it and a bit of filling, what might be beef or might be pork. But it's very good.
Nice.
I like it.
Nice.
Try it. Well, let me check first what it is again. Because
It's fried wonton.
It's dried wonton. Yeah, and I think it's filled with a pork. We got pork. We got onion. I tasted a bit. It was sweet. I think there is a fruit in there as well. Maybe mango or pineapple. And spring onion. Let's go for a try. Do this by hand. And the bottom part is like what's it called? The Mexican.
Like a taco.
Like a taco.
Looks like a taco, yeah. Very crunchy.
Very, very good. Very juicy. You see the it's dripping. Well, I think there is pineapple in it, and shrimp. There's shrimp, pork, and pineapple in it. It's very, very good. Wow.
It was super hot during our time in Hoi An, so the following day we decided to grab a banh mi, of course, and go to the other side of the beach.
What are we waiting for? Banh mi to go.
So today we decided we decided to go to a different beach, or it's the same beach but a different part of the beach. And here you have palm trees. Yay! And white sand. What's the name? It's Kwadai. I probably pronounced it wrong, but Kwadai Beach. It looks very pretty. Very nice.
Some mountains. Mountains in the back. A lukewarm water. Coconut.
When we drove back from the beach, there was a really nice sunset, and after that we wanted to try some more White Rose dumplings at the White Rose restaurant.
So we try it again, but now at White Rose restaurant. They say they have a secret recipe and that they're the best at making the White Rose. So
now
let's try.
Compare.
Now we can compare. Good. Better? Different.
The one from yesterday was softer, but I like the feeling in this one.
There you go. Okay, second time to try. I ate it before at a restaurant, but it was terrible. It was nice, they had live music, but the food was terribly expensive, and it didn't taste like anything. So now we try the khao lao recipe again, or the dish again.
Come on.
Come on. As you can see, it's pork with noodles, a brown noodle they call it. And they have slices of pork. What I'm gonna try now. Well, it's very good.
And the noodle?
The chewy and a fried. I don't know what is this? What is this? Maybe it could be fried fat, actually. I think it is fried fat. Fats, broth, very good, delicious.
We had a really good time in Hoi An. It's a very lively city, but it's not too big, so it's not too busy as well. And it's really nice. We really enjoyed the beach here on the hot days, and the food is amazing. So we had a really nice time. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and give it a like. And we will see you at the next video.